Welcome to this last day of this strategic targeting of design application for the design industries. So far, we have been learning a lot of things in this particular segment of the video, okay? The last part of this particular video is going to tell you how you can see your long-term goal and how you can able to align with your short-term goal to that particular long-term goal and make sure that's available in the search of the industry, whatever you are targeting for. If you do it wrongly, you will not end up doing a proper research. If you do it wrongly now by setting the goals, you may end up in substandard industries which you are not really happy about. Even though you might be getting a lot of salaries, less salaries, but at the end of the day, your satisfaction index will be very low. That is the reason in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set that specific goal, how you can align with the value system, and how that particular industry has that system, and how is the final goal achieved through that. Because a lot of people miss the clarity here. They know sometimes how to apply for the job, they know sometimes how to get in touch with the recruiters, but they don't know how is their goals and long-term vision is going to really match with that organization, because the targeting of the industry majorly sits on this basics. Okay, in this video we are going to see that. Let's jump in. So day one, we've been seeing about introduction of strategic targeting of the industries, then in industry research technique using some tools. Then third is identifying key companies and opportunities. And fourth is strategic job application process. Fifth is leveraging the professional network. And sixth, we are going to learn continuous learning and adaptation. Why I mean continuous learning and adaptation is we need to be a lifelong learners, guys. If you're not lifelong learners, you cannot use the strategies to continuously improve and evolve. It's not a one-time process where you just get the job and then you go and sleep. You have to learn every single day, every single week, every single month. You have to update your knowledge and see what's happening, or else you will be easily driven out. A lot of AI technologies have replaced many industries as a whole, not just humans, industries as a whole. So think about that. Continuous learning process is one important trait which you need to have in your characteristic. Okay. Importance of continuous learning in industry, I told you just, it's very important. There are many designers who have advanced their career to become a student. He got 7 LPA first when he started working with me. Okay, earlier he was only getting 2.5 or 3 LPA. In just 30 days, less than 30 or 45 days, he got 7.5 LPA. And next, he has got 15.5 LPA. And he's still working. He got the offer. He's in the negotiation stage now. But the reason he's been traveling with me for almost 1.5 years. The reason why I'm bringing this particular case is he doesn't leave the learning process. Any particular person in his career point of view or in his timeline would have just increased their salary 30% or 40%. He has almost from 3 LPA to 15 LPA, it's like 5x. How it has happened is because he is continuously submitted for learning. He is continuously surrendered, or else it will not happen. Okay, so that's the importance of learning. 94% of the employees would stay at a company longer if it is invested in their career development. A lot of people expect that, right? So LinkedIn Workforce Learning Report says that. And adapting to the industry changes. Why the continuous learning is important is because of adapting your changes, particularly based on that particular industry requirements and everything. Okay. See, there are many strategies to adapt the changes based on the industry. You can learn many tools, like let's say you can learn AI tools. You can use you can use softwares for building prototypes. So all these things we need to be getting aware. How is the real-time industry working for you? Okay. Many times you will see there are a lot of tools, like let's say today there are tools like let's say Lucid Chart, there are Miro, okay, and there are tools like Figma, okay, there are tools like Adobe XD, there are tools like there are many tools like let's say for presentation you have basically PowerPoint also, I would say PowerPoint. Okay, and there are tools like let's say basic Excel, Microsoft Word. I'm not writing all these things, but the reason is these AI tools can help you faster to find out the industries, to make sure the strategies align with your company's trends and needs. Even if you have to keep a project case study, even if you have to create a very good portfolio, you'll need all the support of these tools, without which you cannot even go and target any industry. It will be completely a waste of time. Okay, there are many AI features also available in these tools. I'm just giving you an overlay. There are 31 different type of tools available for a designer to learn, particularly in this trend, which I've recorded as a separate podcast also. You can listen to my Design for Change Spotify channel. But here I'm just covering you major things because this is highly helpful for this kind of a context. Okay, and there are many softwares for building your prototype, and you can still learn and keep on going, guys. Okay, see, learning has never end. I would say learning never stops at all. But these are all the tools which keeps evolving and extending. But ultimately, you have to, what is the exact basics of you? What is the real reason why you are joining that company? What is the real motivation being a designer? What is the real reason you are in the product design, you are in the UI UX design? And if that value is matching with that company's value system, and then only you are targeting the right industry. That's also I'm saying it's a continuous learning. Over the time, you will also evolve, right? Over the time, company will also evolve. Over the time, market will also evolve. Over the time, customer expectation will also evolve. How do you match this industry? How do you match this segment is the most important thing which you have to know. Okay, so that is the most interesting thing. If you have to match all these parameters, then only you're finding the sweet spot, then only you're finding the right industry, then only your career moves in a right path. There is another way to confirm this also, okay? So let's start up to the changes, new tools, you can learn continuously these tools and keep updated, that's okay. So there are many designers who have adapted to remote work style also by learning new tools, like let's say Zoom, Google Meet, and Miro collaborative tool, and FigJam. So all these tools are very much capable of doing online work itself in a collaborative way, like InVision. There are a lot of tools, okay? But you can learn continuously with your mentors. You can learn continuously in online, ChatGPT, YouTube, Coursera. There are many platforms available, okay? You can adapt to this industry. But the major point which I'm trying to make for you is you have to set your long-term and short-term goal, guys. Ultimately, this is the last part I'm covering in this whole set of 6 videos because it's upside down exactly. Remember, in the first video, I've asked you to set a goal and I asked you to write down your passion and desire and everything where you are. And last time connecting this, everything comes upside down here. If you have not watched the earlier videos, please go and watch it, or else the relevance will not be there for you, okay? So, I use a format called SMART goal setting format. I used to recommend students for that, okay? What is the format, guys, okay? It should be a specific, measurable, achievable, time-bound, relatable goal, okay? I will tell you. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time bound. Okay, this is how the goal setting needs to be done. I will tell you the process. Okay, so this is the process. So the process and the format should be very clear. See, now this is the format, this is the process, okay? So the task for you is, you have to write 2 things. One is 10-year goal, okay? Another is 1-year goal. I wanted you to write this. Yes. So now, as said, like let's say, Jagdish, we have to write the process here with a SMART. Let's say if you wanted to become a great designer in your particular field, write a specific goal saying I'm earning 10 LPA per salary in this industry, logistic design based industries, before 2025 July 20. How specific it is. So that's how you get a clarity. And then you have a measure, how much salary you want to get. It's achievable, right? Possible. 15, 20 LPA is possible in 1 year. Relevant. Yeah, it's relevant to your field. It's not very relevant. Time bound, 1 year. So it is actually a format how a design needs to be set. Okay. So your task is to first write down 1-year goal and a 10-year goal. First, I have to explain 1-year goal, okay, because you have to know first 1 year what you wanted to really achieve. You have to write these 7 areas, guys. Write your personal goal. It could be like family. It could be like relationship, anything, okay? Professional goal, whether it could be work, whether it could be freelancing, it could be project, it could be awards. So you might have different goals, okay? So write it down for 1 year. Simple. Health goal. Health goal should be something like how much weight you want to be, fitness level you wanted to be, like let's say you wanted to become, if you have to build 6 packs, abs, if you wanted to build fat which is 10% of your body, if you have to build a muscle mass of 50 kg in your whole body weight. So that specific measure is what is required. Don't just write generically, I want to become healthy. That will not happen, okay? Spiritual, like it could be a social cause. Many people would believe in religion. So many people would believe in their serving to their religion. So it's up to them. Whatever is your spiritual causes. Spiritual is not only God, religion, all these things. Spiritual is like whatever you think is very true in your value and how you can give back to the society, and it could be some social cause also, okay, which you feel very fulfilled in your career. Next is wealth goal. So how much assets you want to build. Okay, Jagdish, how it is all going to be useful, Jagdish? Just wait till guys this last video. Travel, which country, which place, which country, which place, with whom, how many days, why. So you need to write it very carefully, okay? Then and only it will happen, guys, because if you are more specific towards it, then it will happen. Why? Okay. And yeah, wealth, I told you, travel, lifestyle. Another one, what I have to tell you is wealth, profession, health. Yes, travel and lifestyle. I think this is the whole thing. Okay, because everything is covered here. Your profession is also covered, your personal is also covered, your health and fitness is also covered, your spiritual fulfillment is covered, your travel and lifestyle is covered. Because the moment if you are building all these 6 areas of your life, it's not 7 actually, it's 6, you will see a great fulfillment happening in your career. You will see a great clarity what's coming out. Okay, you need to write it for 1 year. Jagdish, I have not thought about this kind of areas now. Do it right now, guys, because when are you going to think? The moment if you're writing 1 year goal, then write a 10-year goal. Okay, same process. You don't have to what you call create another process. Just write the same process. Okay, maybe it got a little different. Yeah, that's okay, but the same process is applicable. The moment you're writing this 1 year goal, this 10-year goal, and then you know exactly how the process works in goal, now you can trace back to the old way. Okay, you can trace back from the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and you will see the relevance why I asked you to target certain industries. Okay, let me tell you guys, setting specific goals can increase your motivation and achievement by 25%. Harvard Business Review says that. Now you would have got a clarity why I'm saying goals is very important and why people achieve when they have clear written goals. The moment when you have a goal, you can find out which industry is going to fulfill that lifestyle for you, which industry is going to give you that space for you to make that and create that kind of a wealth. If you choose a startup industry, if you choose a very, very small scale industry where your learning is also not good, whether your knowledge and whether your capability of doing a big project itself is not great, do you think that will fulfill your goals? Do you think that industry is suitable for you? This is how you need to shortlist the big industry and the small industry which is suitable for you. This is how you streamline. And when you have that clear goal, you will know what are the techniques to find out that industry-based techniques. What is the statistics available? What is the company performing? What has already this company performed already? How will this match with my goals? How will this requirement fulfill my 10 years goal, my 1 year goal? This is the clarity you will get. And then you will find out the key companies and their opportunities and the value system what they have. Then you will prepare a strategic application for that. Then you will find out who's relevant people who can help you out to reach there. Then you will be continuously learning and adapting in order to meet the industry standard. The moment if you follow this kind of a method with a proper approach, with a process, with a goal, 1 year, 10 year, and target the industry, there is no way that you will get wrong, guys. If you continuously do it for 45 days, 31 to 45 days, create a list of companies, create the value system, goals and everything, match with whatever companies it's applying, shortlist the industries again, and then target to the industries with the right application, with the right job, for the right role, with the right people at the right moment, you will get the right interview done and you will get the right salary, guys. The reason why I'm bringing right again is a lot do it in a completely wrong way, random way. Nobody knows exactly this is the way to do it. Very, very few people know it and they are busy applying that and getting results for themselves. But here you're really lucky, you're watching this video. So please take the action. Follow the steps, whatever has been discussed in these 6 videos, and then pin it to me in this video. I'll make sure I'll read each and every comment and I'll reply you. You can even watch many comments I've already replied. Okay, so you can find out how I'm replying, how I'm finding out the mistakes and correction of your goals and everything, so that you can able to improve further. If you want to get in touch with me, you can message me. Definitely, I'll be happy to reply you and correct your feedbacks. Because if you're not taking action, you're just watching this video, getting too much high on knowledge, very low on implementation, nothing is going to change in your life, guys. Because my mentor always says, if you want to really change your life, take action and take action now, not tomorrow, not later. now, then and only your true life really changes. Whether you do mistake, correct, that's not the point. You have to take action. Okay, I believe after watching all these 6 videos, you will take action and clarify your biggest target dream industry in your career. Okay, all the best. See you in another video. Bye bye.